Trading meme stocks has got to be the easiest thing ever. And in less than 60 seconds, I'm going to teach you exactly how I caught the best entries on my top stock from last night's free stock watch list on OPAD. Now, again, that stock was OPAD, the top stock from last night's free stock watch list. And this thing could not have been any easier. Now, the game plan here last night was to watch for strength over $2.40, then wait for confirmation over $2.15. And that could not have been any clearer this morning going into market open. So around 9 o'clock this morning, this gets breaking over this 240 level, then pulls back and puts in place that higher low back over 215. But unfortunately, the issue there is price is beneath all of our moving averages and beneath VWAP, so I couldn't play it there. So what I note here is we have these lower highs stacked overhead that I have to look for a break above so I can actually play that breakout to the upside. So price breaks that downtrend right here out of market open over that opening range high. Get snapping up higher. I take that pullback back here off of VWAP. Of course, don't chase that first candle. Wait for price to pull back. Otherwise, you are taking an overextended setup. So as price pulls back off that 9 EMA, I take my entry down here, risking off the bottom of this candle right here where it broke out. So about $2.40 for the stop loss. And I get a break up through that previous high of day all the way over $2.60 for a pretty massive move from last night's watch list. But that's just where this gets started. So the first trade here was these pullbacks after market open for the range up to 267, but then I played some more pullbacks. So now what I understand here is that as this consolidates here and legs to the upside, this becomes an area of demand where buyers showed interest. And so I can draw my zone here to display this level of interest with this level of support, of course, off this past low. This would be your risk. And of course, I also know we have resistance sitting off the high of day at $2.67. So price pulls back here beneath VWAP, then we see this candle start to get bought up off this past candle's low. And of course, it's still maintaining the overall trend from back here over the pre-market highs, right here over that 240 level. The ones from back here before market open. And just like that, was able to take the perfect entry this morning out of this past area of demand off that 20 moving average for the move back up into the high of day for another beautiful, beautiful trade. And that is all there is to it. See, the reason why meme stocks and these obvious stocks with so many eyes on them are so easy to trade is because they are so obvious. There are so many eyes on them. People are trying to buy on any pullbacks. So pullbacks just give you beautiful resolution. There's so much FOMO, so much chasing, and that gives you beautiful moves. And of course, a lot of clueless people as exit liquidity. Can we have one of these meme stocks like every day?